this is how you can change the voice on Gemini during the live mode. For example, right now on my Gemini account, I'm using the default voice, which is the female voice. So I'm going to tap on this button and I'll just show you the voice. Hi there.
Hello, how's it going?
Okay, that was the default voice. Now let me switch to a different voice. So what you need to do is that you have to tap on your profile picture right here. And after that, navigate to settings and then select Gemini's voice.
I'm ready to be your voice. If you like what you hear, choose me to start talking.
And then you can select one of these options
Feel
in
free
the
to keep
Gemini app.
If you're curious about it's good to meet you.
Maybe I'm your style. Pick me and I can be the voice you hear.
Alright, let's select this one. And now you can go back. You can continue the conversation or you can start a new one. Hi there.
Hi there. What can I help you with today?
Alright, as you can see, it is a different voice. And by the way, this setting is also being applied to the text-to-speech mode on Gemini. So you can tap on this button and it will actually use the new voice setting.
Hi there. What can I help you with today?
There you go. So that's how you can change the voice in the live mode in the Gemini app. I hope you find this video to be useful.